Hi, I'm Linda Hutchinson of L. Hutchinson Designs. Today I'm going to show you how you can create art by quilling. Quilling is an art form that takes strips of paper like this and turns them into little spirals of paper that you can put together into all kinds of things. I'm making a little bunch of grapes here, and I'm going to show you how to do that. First of all, you want to put a little bit of glue in a cup or some other kind of surface that, non-paper surface that's not too porous. Just kind of spread it around a little bit. You want it to be not too deep, because when you're sticking your quilled art to the paper, you don't want it to be all gloppy. You're just going to dip it in gently. First, we have to curl the paper. And you have this special tool that you can get wherever quilling supplies are, in the craft store or online. There's a little tiny ridge right here. You stick the quilling paper into the ridge right at the end, and you start to roll it against your thumb, just spinning it between your thumb and your forefinger. And then you just slip that out, and there you have a small quilled piece. Now I'm going to take my tweezers and just gently dip it in the glue. You just want to get a little bit and then dab it off on the side so you don't have a lot of excess, and place it where it is that you want it, and then just firmly hold it in place for a moment. And that is how you can create art by quilling. My name is Linda Hutchinson, and thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.